round 9, chain 1, front post single crochet, top of front post single crochet we had in round 9, now 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and a popcorn into V shape or 1 chain space, 5 double crochet and a popcorn, 2, 3, 4, 5, a popcorn, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, front post single crochet, top of next front post single crochet we had, now 3 chain, another popcorn into next V shape, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, now a popcorn, 4 chain, 1, 2, 3, 4, a front post single crochet in next front post single crochet, and continue until we finish this round and I come back here. For close round 10, after 4 chain we want to make a slip stitch into first front post single crochet we had and put a marker top of this single crochet, slip stitch here, round 10 finish. Round 11, we want to make leaf like round 6 here we had, so chain 1, a double crochet into V shape here, right one, three double crochet into 3 chain, 1, 2, 3, and a double crochet 3 steps here, 1, 2, 3, a triple crochet top of popcorn, now a picot, 1, 2, 3, a picot, another triple crochet top of popcorn, a double crochet 3 steps here, 1, 2, 3, 3 double crochet, a double crochet cluster here for next leaf and finish this leaf, another double crochet into next V shape for make a cluster, now 3 chain on the hook and a cluster, 3 double crochet, a double crochet 3 steps, a triple crochet, and we continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. For close round 11 we have to make another cluster for closet, but we have one double crochet here, so I make a double crochet in last V shape and 2 chain on the hook and a slip stitch top of first double crochet we had. Now round 11 is finished. Round 12 we have to work behind of this work into single crochet we had in round 10, and behind of this two triple crochet into 4 yarn. So for a start, chain 1, back the work, and we find 2 chain of this single crochet and a single crochet into here, 3 chain, and behind of 2 triple crochet into 4 yarn, a single crochet here, 3 chain, another single crochet into next single crochet, we find 2 this yarn and a single crochet here, 3 chain, another single crochet in next behind of this triple, 4 yarn here, we take them all, and a single crochet, 3 chain, and continue this pattern until we finish this round, and I come back here. For close round 12 we make a slip stitch top of first single crochet we had. Now round 12 is finished. Round 13 we want to make 3 single crochet into 3 chain space, so slip stitch into 3 chain space, chain 1 and 3 single crochet here, 2, 3, another 3 single crochet in next, we continue this pattern until we finish this round 13. For close round 13 we make a slip stitch in first single crochet we had. Now round 13 is finished.